Today, hkmytravel.com takes you to Shenzhen. We will take you to a very special theme park, the Evergreen Resort, where you will be in a rainforest surrounded by dinosaurs and these dinosaurs' descendants. Let's explore this spectacular journey together. The best way to get there is to take the Shenzhen Metro. Purple Line, Line 5 gets off from station Liwang. Get out from exit B. Just get out of the station here, but although we are close to the Evergreen Resort, it is better to get a taxi there instead of walk to the theme park. Just arrived at the Evergreen Resort here. The Evergreen Resort is a hotel as well as a theme park. It's got African jungle, Rainforest, Jurassic Park. I like it. It's got some big fish in there, so we can take a look at it as well. That's the name logo behind me, Evergreen Resort. Behind me is a huge Arapaima specimen. It is come from the Amazon River. One of the special things here is that they have this type of fish. Serious, they have a chicken running around within the theme park. That's the entire family, chicken family. They have ducks in there and a peacock, I think. Hey buddy, look at you. What's wrong with your head? Look, first You see the goldfish here. You think they are displaying the goldfish. Look, check the one behind the goldfish. It's like a dinosaur in there. So the goldfish is like the food. I hope that the two big things are vegetarians. Look, I'm at the rainforest. Look at that. Wow, that has a big fish in there. It's like a dinosaur during the historical time. It's quite scary actually. Really like I'm going through the rainforest. They spray water into the air, so it makes the whole atmosphere just like the rainforest. Behind me is the Jurassic Park. There's some dinosaurs ahead, so be careful. If I'm in the real place, I think I would be dead by now. Those dinosaur models, they are so cruel, so scary. Look at the one behind me. This place is for adults. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel hkmytravel or visit our website hkmytravel.com. Visit Hong Kong and Shenzhen with us. Thank you and see you next time.